Hey there, Susie here from Teaching Tech Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete professionally designed website in under 15 minutes using the Envato Elements templates with Elementor. So if you're ready, let's get going. All right, in this video, we're going to talk about all the cool templates that we can instantly install from Envato Elements right into our Elementor page builder. Okay, so in order to do that, well, not in order to do that, but I just want you guys to get familiar with Envato. All right, so if you go to elements.envato.com, it is an amazing website. I am a subscriber of Envato. They have an amazing amount of content for web designers, graphic designers, motion effects people. I mean, for instance, let's just take a look at all items. Sound effects, graphics, presentation like PowerPoints, fonts, web templates, all kinds of amazing WordPress templates and things like that. So you do not need to be a subscriber to Envato to do what I'm about to show you, but take a look around and see if it's of interest to you. I'm not sure what the price is, but you can certainly take a look at that on your own. Okay, so here's what I want to do. We are going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go to plugins and hit add new. Now I already have it installed, but all you have to do is start typing in Envato. All right. This is the one you want, Envato Elements, Photos, and Elementor Templates. Yay! Now mine is already installed, but you'll see install now. And then once it says install now, it's going to say activate. Make sure you click that button a second time that says activate. All right, once you have done that, you're going to take a look on your left-hand side and you're going to see this thing called Elements, which is awesome, okay? Hover over that and let's go over to template kits. Now, if this is your first time opening up, you're probably going to see like a big banner headline here promoting their premium template kits, and they are beautiful. They're stunning. But you do have to be an Envato subscriber to do that. If you need more information on that, just click on the link below and you can read up all about it, okay? I am an Envato subscriber, but then again, that's my business. So do take a look at it. But we're not going to worry about that for this tutorial. So we're going to scroll down, and again, these are all the premium ones, which again, take a look at them. Some of them are really beautiful. All right, now we are down to the free template kits for Elementor. And we're going to go through, now it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It says 5, but up here it says 120. That's because within each of these, there is a list of a lot of sub pages. All right, so let's go to here. Let's, for instance, okay, I like this one, Indie Cafe. We're going to click on this. All right, so check this out. There are 10 pages in this template kit. They've got a home page. They have another one, but you need the pro version. There's probably some element in there that needs to be, that doesn't come standard. You have your about page and the news. Let's see what else they have. A menu, here's another pro menu, careers, a gallery, all kinds of awesome goodness. Contact, both pro version and the free version. Okay, so now let's take a look at photos. Now let's take a look. So I believe to get access to these photos, you do have to be a subscriber. Yes, it says to get unlimited access, please be a subscriber. Okay, that's fine. You don't need the photos really to do this. This is everything that we're going to do for free in this tutorial. So let's just go back down to where we were. We're going to open up this. All right, now I'm going to create a really simple website in about 10 minutes. All right, or at least the structure of it. So I'm going to click on the home. I'm going to create a new page and I'm just going to call it Cafe Home. Create page, and I'm only doing that because I don't want to confuse it with the actual home page on this website. Now you can also just import the template to use later or in an existing page, but this is real quick and easy. And I'm going to go back to template kit. I'm going to do an about page. I'm going to call this Cafe About. Create that page. Back to my template kit. I'm not going to worry about the news. Yeah, let's do menu because menu could be something like, services. You might have 3 different services up here and stuff like that. So, all right, so let's go down and just hit menu, cafe menu, create a page. You can see you see where I'm going here, right? I'm not going to worry about careers. Gallery might be nice. A contact page. Contact page is nice. I can see why the Pro, because they are including a form, which I strongly suggest you do. But since we're going for the free versions, let's just use this one, okay? So I'm going to call this one, you guessed it, Cafe Contact. And I'm going to hit that page. All right. Now I'm going to go to my pages, all pages. Now I need to get these all out of draft because what we're going to do is we're going to add a menu, and it's going to be super, super simple. So here's what I'm going to do. Cafe Home, it's in draft mode. I'm going to hit Edit with Elementor. Okay, these are so wonderfully designed. I just love these. Okay, first thing I want to do is remove this title page, this title from the page, I should say. So in order to do that, you simply go down when you're in Elementor, go down to the gear icon, and you'll be here. It says hide title, and you toggle that to yes, you want to hide it. Now, I have my menu here, but at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly do a custom menu that links to all of these wonderful pages that we just built in a matter of 3 minutes. Okay, now, if you're familiar with Elementor, if not, follow along some of my other tutorials. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I have more awesome Elementor tutorials. But in the meantime, I can show you a quick change-a-roo. Okay, so let's just say, oh, I am not a coffee and cakes person. Maybe I'm something else. So I'm going to hover over this. I'm going to click on these 6 buttons, and that comes to edit section. Okay, got it. He's just reminding us. I'm going to right click. Got it. Okay, I have my layout, style in advance. Since I want to style, add an image, do something in the styling, I'm going to go to style. And you can see the image here. I'm going to choose a different image. I can easily upload a file that I have on my computer. Again, if you go to Envato Elements, they're going to want you to be a subscriber. That's up to you. It depends on, how deep you want to go. It certainly is worth it. But again, we're going to go for the free version in this tutorial. Okay, so media library. Look at all this goodness. All right, suppose I want to change the background to this little background of, it looks like a store. Okay, this is awesome. Now, I would probably add an overlay because you can't really see that from here. I do love how these straws come out underneath it. So this is really, really super cool. Again, let's just do a quick background overlay just to show you. So it's background overlay. Here's the color. I might do something. Now I might, yeah, all right. I'm not going to get too much into doing the design because I don't want to take the time. I just want to show you how to do all this. But I have other tutorials on, really diving deep into this design. So as I was saying, you can easily change the images. You could change the fonts, but, this is really well done, I think. And again, you can change this overlay, change that background image. All right, so key is to hit publish because we need these things to be published in order to use them in our menus. All right, let's go back by hitting going back and then exit to dashboard. Let's go back to our all pages. We've done Cafe Home. Let's just go down the list here. Cafe About. I'm strictly going to hit the Publish button with Edit to Elementor. Excuse me. All right. Hit Publish. Again, I might want to change those up a little bit, but I just love how these images are just sort of floating. They've done a great job with these. Okay. I'm going to hit these 3 lines again. That's going to take me to the main menu. Hit exit to dashboard. All pages. Let's do Cafe Contact. Edit with Elementor. You see where I'm going. I'm just going to do this super, super quick. publish. Now, there probably is a quicker way to do this. I just have always done it this way, and it just seems to work for me. All pages. I think we have one more. Yes, the menu. Edit with Elementor. And then I'll show you how you can quickly have a complete menu. Again, all these pages for each one, you're gonna hit settings. I'm just doing this super quick. You're gonna hide the title, hit publish, okay? I probably didn't do that for the other two, but that's okay. Okay, now let's change up this menu so it is reflective of these pages. So I'm gonna go back to the main Elementor menu and exit to dashboard. Now I'm here, I'm gonna go down to appearance and I'm gonna hit menus. Now I already have a menu for my main site, so all I need to do and you don't need to do this. I'm doing this because I don't want to get rid of my actual real menu. I'm going to delete this right after I'm done recording this. So I'm going to say create a new menu. I'm just going to call it Cafe Menu and hit create. What do I want in there? I want Cafe Home, Cafe Contact, Cafe Menu, and Cafe About. And hit add to menu. And of course, you can rearrange these by simply dragging them around. So I'm going to add contact as the last, and I'm going to hit save menu. So we've created a new menu and we've saved it. Now we're going to go and make sure that menu is going to show throughout all of our sites. So let's go back we're in our dashboard. Okay, so let's go to templates. Now I don't know if we've talked about this, but see templates? We have right under here. You're going to go under here where it says Theme Builder. All right. This is where we created our navigation for our header. So we're going to click on Theme Builder. And here is our Teaching Tech header. Okay, so you have header and a footer. Let's stick with the header. All right. And it's going to say Edit with Elementor. So here we are, Edit with Elementor. And now this is what we're working on right now. Don't worry about this. It's just telling us this is just for informational purposes only. Okay, this is our header. So we have our logo. You can change your logo here. Okay, just by going here and choose image and upload like you would normally do. But here's what we're going to focus on. Okay, so I'm going to click on here. Now see here it says Edit Nav Menu. All right. Now it's asking us which menu do we want to have here. So we've got a couple of them, right? We have the menu, and click on this, and we want Cafe Menu. Now look at this, Cafe Home, Cafe Menu, Cafe About, Cafe Contact. Now I'm going to do this real quick, and then when I'm done with this, I'm going to delete it, because if anybody comes to the site and sees this, they're going to be scratching their heads. All right, so for now, I'm just hitting Update. I'm going to go hit the 3 lines over here, go back to the main Elementor menu, exit to dashboard. Let's check this out. We're going to go to pages, all pages. I'm just going to go to the Cafe Home and let's hit view. All right, so let's pretend we did a cool new logo over here. This is our new home page. We just built this site. I mean, it took us less than 10 minutes. We're at the Cafe Home. We go to Cafe Menu. Look at this. I mean, how easy is this? All you have to do is, pour yourself a beverage of choice, throw on some Netflix, and swap out these images and your text. Let's go to the contact for the last page. And you can have a brand new professionally designed site up and running in no time, in an afternoon. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. Again, I would take this off. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, pop a comment down below. I'm always looking at these comments. Please subscribe because I love you and I want to teach you more and more stuff. Hit the subscription bell so that you get notified when my new tutorials are up. Alrighty, until then, I will see you in the next tutorial.